Here's how to use the Diamond with a face mask. LiteTouch mask's unique soft seal gently conforms to the face with gentle pressure. Remove the mouthpiece caps from the Diamond and the MDI. Look inside the Diamond and remove any object that doesn't belong there and check for damage. Insert the MDI into the oval opening of the flexible MDI adapter at the end of the Diamond. Place the LiteTouch mask over the Diamond's mouthpiece and gently twist until it fits securely. The narrow portion of the mask fits over the nose and should be upright. Hold the Diamond with mask and MDI together and shake well according to your MDI instructions. Place the LiteTouch mask gently over the patient's nose and mouth to create a seal. The flexible cushion contours to the face to prevent leaks. After the patient exhales and at the start of the inhalation, spray 1 puff of medication into the Diamond. When the patient inhales through their mouth, the medication will be inhaled as well. Continue to hold the mask in place for at least 6 breaths after spraying the medication. You can count breaths by watching the flap open and close on the exhaust valve on top of the chamber.